Alright guys, just a quick video here. Kind of like an unboxing, I guess. Uh, Talking about how impressed I am with this company right here. I just found it like on one of those Facebook things where the advertisement was done, and it's called Filter Easy. And basically, you go on there and you fill out the form and everything. And my house happens to have a couple different sections, so we need two 20 by 20 filters, and we need one 20 or 20 by 10, I believe. So there's our two 30 by 20s, actually, when I think about it. I don't know where the size is on there, but these two are 30 by 20. And then back down to the box, we've also got a 20 by 20. So you just go on there, put all your information, and then they give you these, they send you these filters every 3 months. So you don't have to remember about switching out your filters, going buying them, keeping track of that. They just keep track of that on their own, and then they just send you a new set of filters every 3 months. So every 3 months they get a box on the porch, and they have the correct sizes, because obviously I've already inputted that information, and so you don't have to worry about when you need to change your filters. They just send them to you, switch them out, throw the old ones in the box, toss them in the garbage, and you're good to go. If you're enjoying the videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. I'm going to put a link to the webpage to order these. It'll also give you, I think it's $5 off your first order. It'll also give me $5 off of my orders. So pretty cool. Like, share, subscribe. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys.